Hi guys, welcome back to another video, another chatting session. I just wanna quickly go through a trade that I'm currently in and also give an update basically on what happened since the last time we were here. So last time we were here, I mentioned that I wanna see us trade lower into this gap, total soup is low and push higher, right? And that's exactly what's happening right now. So right, the trade I'm in right now, I'm targeting this internal low here. I might leave runners depending on how the volatility will be. But yeah, I did take partials already. I did take off positions already. When we went past this high, and also as we were pushing higher, I took another one like somewhere here. So I left the runner now, and we're gonna target that. So I just wanna go through what I saw. So coming into the day, I was still bullish, right? So as soon as New York session opened, I was just looking for any fair value gap that I can take entries from. I was looking to see if I can find any SMTs, manipulations, anything that would give me uh, a confirmation or confluence on my buys. So what I did see was that we had an SMT here because NQ had a little consolidation, took out the sell side on that, and then pushed higher. But then ES didn't take out the low, right? So that's what showed me that okay, that's a bullish SMT. We did trade higher. We have a 5 minute inverse here, right? So New York session, it pushed higher. So I was waiting to see if uh we can trade back into the inverse basically. So on ES, we did trade back into it and we settle suit here. And I was expecting that settle suit because it traded, it already traded into it. So if we're gonna come back here, obviously it was gonna take out the low and then push higher. So same thing on Nasdaq. We do have an inverse right here. And I saw that we're holding also. Like there's also a time where here it went through and then went back and closed inside. So that's what showed me also that we are probably going to hold this. And also how we started pushing higher, then disrespected this fair value gap here, closed up half. That was my confirmation that, okay, we're gonna go higher. I took my buy and I had my stop loss here. And as we pushed higher, I did take, what do you call it, partials. I took partials on this high. And then also somewhere here, I did take another one. And then I just left the run and put my stop loss break even. Now I'm trailing it. I put it here. So I'm gonna keep holding that until I don't think I'm gonna hold until here, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens as time goes. But we are looking kind of strong right now, so we might actually have a nice push towards these. So we'll see. So as you guys can see, what I said would happen is happening currently. Exactly the way I said it. So if you guys want me to start another Telegram group because the first one got blocked, you guys let me know. Or if me sending them on my Instagram is enough. Let's also take a look at US30 because I haven't seen US30 in this whole week actually. I haven't traded US30. Uh I'm consolidating on larger. But we're still holding. So I'm still expecting us to push higher to that. Let's see how we would have gotten this. Okay. So we have another manipulation here. And then we have this high here, which we didn't take out here. So we're still gonna obviously expect it to take that out. And then let's see what we would have. Okay, we have a sweep here. We have an inverse here. What time was this? Nah, I wouldn't even be on the chat that time. And then it pushed. Okay, let's look at today then. What happened? Yeah. So new extension opened, pushed high. Okay. And then we also have low resistance here. The resistance liquidity, which you can back and check out. Also all these lows here. We take that out and we have an inverse. So that's how you would have cut in your inch. Same thing. You would have targeted that high, took partials from that, and also targeted that high also. So this model is very simple. Like you would look for the same thing always. Look at that. We have a sweep inverse, and then you get your entry. You target these 5 minute or 15-minute highs. Simple. That 5 minute high, there's a 15-minute high. You can also target the efficiency on the higher time frames here. All these gaps here, you would expect them to get filled. So you'd also be targeting those, all these gaps here, and then someone, you also target this high side here. That's literally how I look for my positions every single time. So, okay, we're done here. Let me exit this. We're done here. Done for the day. That was a good trade. And we'll be back tomorrow, man. Same model every single time. If you guys wanna see more videos like those, let me know. Stay around, subscribe. Let me know what you don't understand about this model, and I can touch more onto it on the next video.